So this is the extension of the last video, where we have discussed about uh, how actually object actually behaves if there are same keys. But in this video, we'll be looking into if the keys are itself the object. Okay, so if you let's check one thing. Let's say let's say obj equal to I want to give the key will be an integer, and I want to give something like this one. Okay, so if you know that the object keys, all the object keys are even if you give it as an integer value, it will convert that into a string. Okay, so let's say I want to log this information that obj of let's say I want type of the uh, type of the uh, type of the obj and then one. Okay, so if I save this, you'd see that it will give me string, right? Because it is a string, because all the objects keys are actually converted to the strings. Okay, so let's say what I want to do is, let's say I want an empty object. Let emp emp obj equal to this one, and then let's say this one is the object, and let's just give it as something fun name, and let's say obj1, and then obj2, and then let's say class as web. Okay, so now let's say what I want to do is um, let's say empty object of obj1 is equal to updated value. Okay, so let's say I want to console this log of empty object. Okay, so if I save this, you'd see that it is actually giving me object because it is stringifying it, right? So it is converting that to a string. It is the object doesn't know that it is an object or something, right? So it is giving you object and then the updated value. Because I have this updated value, I have just updated that value itself. So I'm getting this, right? So let's say I want to do like empty object. So now this concept is from the previous video itself. So let's say I want to do the same object2, and let's say new updated value. Right. So in the last video, as I have discussed that the if there are same keys, then what object will do is it will just update the value, right? And so what I am expecting the output is to be like this one, object, and my updated value would be like new updated value, right? So yeah, this one, if I say this, you'd see that I'm getting the output, because the thing is, this both at the end of the day, these both have the key as object only. So object will treat that as a same variable, and it will just reassign the value, right? So yeah, this was the basic idea about if you have the object itself as a key, then how actually JavaScript behaves. Actually how it takes it, or how he thinks that what it should be. So yeah,